Got the BMW all done. Got the AWE system installed. This is the Touring Edition. This comes with the rear mufflers in the back. You guys can see the AWE plaque right here. And it's a resonated midsection because he does have a downpipe on there. He doesn't want it super aggressive, so he added the mid resonators that usually come optional. You don't have to get the resonators on there, but it is definitely recommended if you want a little bit deeper tone. So also with this AWE full stainless steel, all 3-inch all the way through, high flow Y pipe, kind of the same setup as comes on the Supra, and then this crazy Y pipe setup that AWE is known for. Like I said, bolts into the stock section, all 3-inch. This oblong shaped Y pipe, and then 3-inch all the way through, like I said, with the performance bullet resonators, and then AWE 180 technology mufflers in the back. So this is a sweet setup, one of the more highly recommended systems for the BMWs. AWE really makes great kits for it. It's maximizing power, and it sounds pretty damn sweet. So we're gonna crank it, let you guys hear it. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, guys, don't forget. So that's the AWE catback. That's what it sounds like. There's a specific model for the AWE. It's a Touring Edition with the resonated mid-pipe. This is what your car would sound like if you had a 340 or a 440 with a downpipe and an AWE Track Edition exhaust. I mean Touring Edition, not Track Edition. Track Edition is a straight pipe, no rear mufflers in the back. You could get a Track Edition with a resonated mid-pipe. Do recommend that sometimes, but for this specific setup, you see how aggressive this thing is, man. It's a downpipe. When you have a downpipe on there, it amplifies the flow about 50%, which is huge, especially on a BMW. This is a luxury vehicle. You want to make sure you're getting a nice, clean, crisp tone. AWE does the job. Next up, we're going to slap on some AWE tips. We're just going to connect them to the axle back, and then he's going to have some quads in the back, so you could take out that bezel and then have some nice dual 4-inch black quads on the back, which would be pretty sweet. So it's going to match the look of the car. It's going to look like how it sounds. And since the AWE on the top, which is pretty sweet. Black diamond tips. That's what we're going up with next. Later on, highly recommend an air intake available at gexhaust.com. And if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. Throw some comments in the video. Come on, guys. You know, share it. Like us on Instagram, Facebook, you know, YouTube, and you know, don't be pricks, guys. Come on, we out.